Your dog just devoured a box of chocolates and panic sets in. But before you rush to the vet, did you know there are powerful home remedies that could save your furry friend's life? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 5 crucial steps you can take right now to combat chocolate toxicity in dogs. These aren't just quick fixes, they're proven methods used by pet experts. Stay tuned, because what you learn today could mean the difference between life and death for your canine companion. The hydrogen peroxide method is used to induce vomiting in dogs that have recently ingested chocolate. This remedy works by irritating the dog's stomach lining, causing them to vomit and expel the chocolate before it's fully absorbed. How to use? 1. Use only 3% hydrogen peroxide, which is the concentration typically found in stores. 2. The dosage is 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, per 10 pounds of body weight. 3. Maximum dose, 3 tablespoons for dogs over 45 pounds. Steps. 1. Measure the correct amount of hydrogen peroxide. 2. Use a turkey baster or syringe, without needle, to administer it. 3. Squirt the liquid into the back of the dog's mouth. 4. Gently hold the dog's mouth closed and stroke their throat to encourage swallowing. 5. Walk the dog around or gently shake their belly area to mix the hydrogen peroxide in the stomach. Important notes. 1. Only use this method if advised by a veterinarian. 2. It's most effective within 2 hours of chocolate ingestion. 3. If vomiting doesn't occur within 15 minutes, you can repeat once. 4. Never use more than 2 doses. 2. Activated charcoal treatment. Activated charcoal helps absorb toxins in the dog's digestive system, preventing them from entering the bloodstream. How to use? 1. Dosage: 1 to 4 grams of activated charcoal per kilogram of the dog's body weight. 2. Mix the charcoal powder with water to create a slurry. Administration. 1. Use a syringe to squirt small amounts into the side of the dog's mouth. 2. Alternatively, mix with a small amount of wet food if the dog will eat willingly. 3. Can be given every 4 to 6 hours for up to 24 hours. Precautions. 1. May cause constipation or black stools. 2. Don't use if your dog is already vomiting or has difficulty swallowing. 3. Natural binding agents. These can help slow the absorption of toxins in the dog's system. Options include: 1. Plain canned pumpkin, 1 to 4 tablespoons depending on dog size. 2. Plain yogurt, 1 to 3 tablespoons depending on dog size. 3. Milk, small amounts can help bind to the chocolate and slow absorption. How they work. 1. These foods can coat the stomach and intestines, potentially slowing the absorption of toxins. 2. They may also help soothe the digestive tract. 4. Fluid therapy. Keeping your dog hydrated is crucial to help flush toxins from their system. Methods. 1. Encourage your dog to drink fresh, clean water. 2. Use a turkey baster to gently administer small amounts of water if the dog won't drink on its own. 3. For severe cases, subcutaneous fluids may be necessary, veterinarian administration only. 5. Supportive care. While not a direct remedy, proper supportive care is crucial. Steps. 1. Keep your dog in a quiet, cool area to reduce stress and lower their heart rate. 2. Use fans or cool compressors if the dog seems overheated. 3. Monitor for symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, restlessness, or rapid breathing. 4. Be prepared to transport to a vet if symptoms worsen. Remember, these home remedies are not substitutes for professional veterinary care. Always consult with a veterinarian before attempting any treatment, and seek immediate medical attention if your dog's condition worsens or if they've ingested a large amount of chocolate.